Hey everyone, so once the door is dry, I'll remove all glue. I have zero tolerance for glue. There should be no glue left in the corners. This really will affect the end result. Now I'm going to use the Guide Coat to sand back flat. It emphasises the joint and any glue. I'll sand until it's flat. 120, 320 on the edge. I've got a special block here that creates the Aris on the shaker rail. I'll fill any joints with 2K filler. This stops any moisture getting in. Never leave a gap. Now making sure everything's got a break. Using the router, I'll use a block to make sure there's no stutter marks in it, and I'll sand it smooth. Now I'll caulk the joint. This door did warrant caulk. This by far is the fastest way to remove a gap. Caulk would not have filled that alone. I do not get cracking because I use MDF middles and MDF rowels. That whole process there should be done by the cabinet maker, not the sprayer. Expect to be charged if you haven't done that process.